United 2053, new tower, runway 4 left, line up wait.
4 left, line up wait, United 2053.
United 2053, 3509er, gust 16, runway 4 left, clear takeoff.
4 left, clear takeoff, United 2053.
United 2053, contact departure, good flight.
Going departure, good day, United 2053. Afternoon, New York, United 2053 with the best 1.3 for 3,000 on the flight departure.
United 2053 to departure to contact, flighting at 300, climb, maintain 5,000.
Left turn 300 up to 5,000 at 2053.
United 2053, climb, maintain 10,000.
Climb, maintain 10,000 at 2053.
United 2053, climb, maintain, you're going center ready. Turn left heading 270.
Left turn 270, United 2053.
United 2053, contact New York departure 120.85.
2085, United 2053. Good morning. Good afternoon, New York. United 2053 with you leveling at 9.6 for 10,000.
United 2053 near departure, maintain 17,000 direct park.
Okay, we just had a bird strike about 1,000 feet ago, and it looks like a pretty good dent in the left wing. We'll probably turn around and come back to Newark.
United 2053, roger. Declaring an emergency?
Yeah, we'll declare an emergency at this time.
Roger, thank you. You can maintain 10,000 for now. Commander altitude 10, you have 30 Newark via radar vectors, and I'll have you turn back shortly.
I copy that. Maintain 10,000 feet. Emergency will be standing by at 2053.
United 2053, just when you have a moment, just souls on board and fuel remaining, please.
All right, souls on board is 110. Fuel remaining is 4 hours and 30 minutes.
Roger, thank you. United 2053, contact Philly approach 119.2.
92, 2053. Philly approach, United 2053 with you at 10,000, heading 270 emergency aircraft.
Yeah, 2053 New York approach, roger, and I understand you had a bird strike earlier, so you want to return to Newark. Do you need to burn fuel first?
No, we're good. We can come back.
2053, okay, and you've cleared of Newark Airport via radar vectors. We fly heading of 250 for now, and you can descend and maintain 8,000. Expect vectors for the ILS 4 right.
All right, ILS 4 right, 250 on the heading and 8,000 feet at 2053.
You're at 2053, and you're ready to come back in now, you said?
Yeah, just give us a little time to make it long vectors, so we'll take a long climb.
At 2053, okay, 250 heading then for now, and just try to maintain 8,000 until we get to the sequence here. And I guess when you have a chance, just give me souls on board and fuel remaining.
Our souls on board is 110, and fuel on board is 4 hours 30 minutes.
You got a 2053. If we take you northbound and all the way around up towards Sparta for the sequence, is that good for you? Do you have to come in right now?
No, we're in no rush for coming in. It's just dent on the left wing, so we can take our time. That's fine with us.
2053. Okay, so no rush. Turn right, turning 010. Just get you into the sequence here, and when you can, just give me the pounds, the fuel in pounds, please. Right turn heading 010 and fuel in pounds.
Okay, right turn heading 010, fuel in pounds is 23,000.
You said 23,000?
That's affirmative.
United 2053, set to maintain 7,000.
7,000, United 2053.
Yeah, 2053, turn righting of 020, now 20 heading, and just have the ATC and all that. Golf is current, expect ILS 4 right over at Newark.
Okay, 020 on the heading down to 7,000. We do have golf, ILS 4 left, United 2053.
At the ILS 4 right, unless you need the left side advised.
Okay, we'll let you know. We'll plan on the ILS 4 right, United 2053.
2053, okay. Contact approach on 120.15. If you need anything different or anything, let them know.
Okay, 12015, United 2053, thanks. 1,577,000 emergency aircraft.
United 2053 approach, Roger. Expect about another 10 miles on that heading and then turn back to the south towards the airport. Is that all right? Or do you need to get in now?
Nope, that works with us. United 2053, we'll expect that.
Roger. United 2053, did they ask you already if you want equipment standing by?
They have not asked us. Standby.
All right.
And for United 2053, we'll have equipment standing by.
Roger. Do you want 22 left? I'm sorry. Do you want runway 4 left or runway 4 right?
We'll take 4 left for the long one, United 2053.
2053, Roger. You're welcome. United 2053, just to maintain 6,000, turn right heading 080.
6,000, 080 on the heading, United 2053.
United 2053, turning 200.
Right heading 200, United 2053.
And approach United 2053.
I apologize. Say again?
Yeah, United 2053, if it's okay, we'll take the right side since that's place special. The right side looks a little bit longer.
United 2053, Roger. Contact approach 125.62.
2562, good day, United 2053. Approach United 2053, emergency aircraft with you at 6,000. Left turn 160 down to 3,000, speed out discussion at 2053. Left turn 140 at 2053. This should work, this distance here. Appreciate that. Left turn 070, intercept 4 right at 2053. Alright, 170.5 DMA 18.3, thanks for helping at 2053. Evening, Newark Tower, United 2053, emergency aircraft with you, ILS 4 right.
United 2053, Newark Tower, call your way, Chairman, found a heavy Boeing 767, vehicles are standing by, the wind is 3609, gust 18, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Copy all that, clear to land 4 right, and we will be able to clear the runway for there, for United 2053.
Car 98, are you going to want to sweep the runway?
No, Car 98 is holding short of runway 4 right at Papa 1.
Car 98, so you are going to want to sweep the runway, correct?
Affirmative.
Okay, Car 98, thank you. Continue holding short of 4 right.
Car 98 holds short 4 right.
Car 98 is taxiway Papa 1. You may proceed on to runway 4 right northbound.
Proceed on runway 4 right northbound for Papa 1. Car 98.
United 2053, do you require any assistance?
No assistance, United 2053.
United 2053, Roger. Hold short of runway 4 left on Mike.
Hold short 4 left on Mike, United 2053.
So, Car 98 is off runway 4 right, no issues.
Car 98, Roger.
And Tower, United 2053, I don't know if they fire trucks can check. We had the bird strike on the left side. We know it hit the wing. They could check to make sure it didn't hit anything else that's significantly damaged.
United 2053, Roger. United 2053, change to frequency 134.05. That'll put you in direct communication with the response to your left.
13405, United 2053.